Hey guys, it's Jayla. Today I wanted to hop on and show you guys the DEWALT drill. We got this gifted to us a couple years ago and we have seriously loved this. I can't recommend this enough just because I love this thing. It has saved me so much time when I'm putting furniture together or just hanging things up in my house that are hard to hang up. I actually have a shiplap wall behind me and I put a mirror up on it and it's seriously so easy. Instead of just sitting there forever trying to get like a nail to go in or a screw to go in, it took me like less than a minute to get the whole thing to go in without actually damaging my wall. And so I seriously love this thing. It comes with 2 of these battery packs, so you just push this button to get it to come out. And these battery packs last a very long time. Like, since I grab it a couple times a month, I'd say this lasts me like 2 months of charge, even when I'm building something big like a kid's play kitchen or a nightstand or a dresser. This has been a lifesaver with that. It also comes with this charging station right here, and then you do need a wall outlet, but it goes right onto here, so I'll show you how it works. So it goes on just like this and locks into place, and then there is this light right here and it will blink and let you know how charged it is. And then it also comes with this, which comes with a whole bunch of different heads you can put on it. So if you want like a specific head for putting furniture together, this is what it comes with. And then I obviously have one on here at the moment. This is the one I was using. And then there's 2 different options, so you can go like to the right or to the left. Let me just hurry and put this battery pack back on. So you can go to the right or the left, and it has that flashlight, so even when you're working in the dark. And then it also comes with this bag, so it can hold everything you need inside of it, along with some extra tools. So overall, I'd highly recommend this drill, and I hope this video has helped.